Have you ever seen somebody wear eyelashes? We've all seen it. We all have that one friend or that one auntie that you can see her lashes. Like when she looks down, you can see the lashes. So do you notice that when I look down, you don't see a strip lash? The difference between this eye and this eye is this one has lash clusters and this one doesn't. This is probably the easiest way that I want you to start applying your lashes. If you're new here, my name is Tiffany Lumpkin. I'm like your best friend, but happen to be a makeup artist. And I do hair and makeup for TV and film. I've been doing it for almost 16 years. My job is to not influence you, but my job is to educate you. Have you heard of lash clusters? Sure, maybe you have, maybe you haven't. But have you heard of pre-glued, self-adhesive lash clusters? So these are really nice because they are changing the game. These are my favorite type of lashes. You have individual lashes, the ones that you just kind of go in, dip the glue in. You have strip lashes, which I think are the most common type that you can just pop on, very convenient, great for performers and entertainers. And then you also have clusters. Clusters are when you take a full strip and cut them up. You see that? This is a brown pair, and then this is a pair that are black. I'll leave all of my favorite versions in the description below. The reason why I think that you should highly consider these when it comes to lashes is these are the easiest lashes to apply because you don't have to worry about glue. Glue is what makes things so complicated. One of my biggest pet peeves with anyone is when I look down, or when you look down, I don't want you to have that strip anymore. You're not an amateur. You've been watching my videos, and you know the girls, we use clusters. And we don't use clusters where you have to dip in the glue. We use clusters that they're already pre-glued and pre-adhesive. And let me tell you why these are so simple to use. You don't have to worry about that slip and sliding with glue. They come in a variety of different lengths. So top is 10, that's the shortest, all the way down to 16. We are going out with the girls tonight. So I want to make sure that I have a little bit more drama on this lash. So I'm going to put a bunch of 16s. So what you want to do is you want to remove it from the pack, but make sure that you're not touching the tweezers with the glue. Then you want to look down. Do not be intimidated by this. Look at me. Take a deep breath. It ain't that deep. You can do this. It's so easy. Remember back in the day we had to put the glue on the lash? You don't even have to do that anymore. There's already glue on here. All I need to do is have a will. There's a way. That didn't make any sense. Did you get what I'm saying? Take some tweezers and take a mirror. It's all you need. Close your eyes and pray. You got this. There's glue already on it. These are going to go underneath your lash line. So take a mirror and kind of put it near your chin, anywhere you could see. You see that little pink line underneath? I want you to take it. Don't put it on the pink line, but put it right where your lash line starts. Drop it there and then press. If you wear contacts, this is going to be easy breezy. If you're not used to touching your eyes, so if you're not kind of a little familiar with all of this, it's just going to take some practice. But guess what? The lash is on. That's how easy it is. Let's do the next one. Okay, darling, you could do this. Take it, put it under, and press. Take it, put it under, and press. We're going to take it, put it under, and press. Now make sure you don't put it too close to your eyeball. I don't want it on the pink part of your eye. I want it right where your eyelashes begin to grow. So take it, put it on, press. And having this mirror underneath you is going to really, really help you. That looks fabulous. All right, so then I kind of take my two little fingers and press it on in. If you aren't comfortable using your fingers, you can also just take a sponge and look down. A little trick is wherever you are with your hand, look the opposite way. So if I'm over here in the corner, I don't want to look over here in the corner. I want to kind of press. If I'm over here, look to the left. If I'm on this side, look to the, what's this, to the right. And then same thing for the center. And one little final trick that I find helpful is you can still find that sometimes that's a little sticky underneath. What you want to do is take a little black eyeshadow and kind of dab that underneath. Also too, it's gonna take that shine away. I hope that that was very helpful. I want you to kind of get familiar with what's going on right now. As a professional, we are loving self-adhesive eyelashes. Now, this isn't something new, clusters, but self-adhesive, pre-glued. I haven't seen anything like that when I first started in the business. So I just hope that this video was helpful for your next girls' night or whatever you have, whatever occasion, a date night, maybe you have some romance in your life. But lashes are a really great way to elevate that everyday look to an evening look. But oftentimes we kind of avoid it because it's just too much. The number one question I always have with what people have a challenge with or what they're unfamiliar with is eyelashes. But I think these clusters, they're about to change it. Also too, look when I look down, you don't see, they're just like, just natural. We're like, I had extensions done. Make sure you have your eye drops when you do these if you're not comfortable applying them. So yeah, thank you so much for watching.